In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view history in Canva. Being able to see the history of your design is really important, especially if you're experimenting with different layouts, colors, or text, and want to go back to an earlier version. Canva's version history feature makes this easy, but it can be a little hidden if you've never used it before. So let's walk through exactly how to access it and what you can expect to see. Start by opening the design in Canva that you want to review. This can be any type of design, a presentation, a social media post, a poster, or something else. Once the design is open on your screen, look towards the top left corner of the Canva editor. There, you'll see a menu labeled File. This is the same place you might go to rename your design or adjust your document settings. Go ahead and click on the File menu. When you click it, a drop-down menu will appear with several options related to your design. Take a moment to glance through, but the one we care about right now is Version History. This is the key to seeing how your design has changed over time. Next, click on Version History. As soon as you do, Canva will open a panel that shows you a list of previously saved versions of your design. Depending on how much you've worked on this project, you might see just a few entries or a long timeline of edits. Canva typically groups changes by time, so you'll see different save points based on when you made significant edits. In the version history view, you can click on each version to preview what your design looked like at that moment. This is very helpful if you want to compare your current design to an earlier idea, or if you think you might have deleted something important and want to bring it back. From here, you usually have the option to restore an older version if you decide that's the one you want to keep working with. Restoring doesn't permanently erase your current design. Canva will treat the restored version as your new current state, so you can still move forward and make new changes from there. And that's all there is to it. By clicking on File, then Version History, you can quickly review your design's past versions, compare ideas, and confidently roll back to a look